Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the new DAX function called ContainsStringExact in Power BI. So this has been released from the March 2019 release of Power BI. So if you're using a later version or March 2019, you should be able to access this. So let's say I want to find whether, let's say I've got a string column and I want to find whether it matches another string. For example, you're just trying to find the names, but you want to find exact names. You're not, if there's a lowercase, you basically want that not to reflect or just give us a false. But if the string matches and the case is this, and the case is also matching, then it should return a true, otherwise it will return a false. A bit of a lengthy explanation here. Let me just open the Microsoft documentation. It says returns true or false, indicating whether one string contains another string. So let's have a quick one here. So I'll just click on this and say new column, and we'll just I'll call this column test and is equal to contains string exact. And I will say month name, and if it contains Jan. So let's see what it does. So you can see that because the syntax matches it is giving us true, everywhere else it is giving us false. Let's see what happens if I just convert this to a lowercase, and all of a sudden it is giving us false across the board. Let's try MA and hit enter. And so you can see for March it is okay, May it is okay, but the moment we make it lowercase, it starts giving us false across the board. Now this is interesting. So you can also scroll down and see. So in this case, as we did January, because the case was matching, it worked. When we changed the case, it was not matching, we got a false. Let's just try something else. So if we say AN, and because January contains AN, it's giving us a true, otherwise it's giving us a false. And let's say I say AN star Y, and it is giving me a false across. So in this case, you can see that the wildcard characters also don't work. So let's say you've got an address and you want to compare it to another address and you want an exact match, and if it's not an exact match, you don't want to deal with it. So that's one thing I can think of. Otherwise, if you're not really concerned about the case sensitivity, you can use contains string, which is another DAX function, and you can use that. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Please do like what I'm doing as well if you're enjoying that. Thanks a lot.